Welcome to our world of captivating knowledge, where today we delve into the fiery depths of Earth's most devastating volcanoes. These sleeping giants of nature, when awakened, unleash power so tremendous, it has the capacity to alter the course of history. Their eruptions have taken countless lives, wiped out entire cities, and even triggered climatic changes on a global scale. Our ranking of these catastrophic eruptions is based on the horrifying death toll, the scale of destruction they caused, and their enduring impact on our world. From the mighty Mount Vesuvius that buried the ancient cities of Herculaneum and Pompeii, to the eruption of Mount Tambora that caused a global temperature drop, these volcanoes have demonstrated the raw, unbridled power of Mother Nature. So, hold on tight as we embark on this thrilling journey through Earth's molten core, as we count down the 10 most devastating volcanoes in the world. Stay tuned, the heat is about to go up. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have the eruption of Mount Galunggung in Indonesia that took place in 1882. This volcanic event was nothing short of catastrophic. Imagine the tranquil serenity of the region being shattered as the volcano roared to life, spewing forth a deadly cloud of ash and hot gases. The eruption claimed the lives of over 4,000 people and decimated 114 villages. It was an event that shook the nation, leaving a lasting impression of the devastating power of nature. But the volcanic wrath of Indonesia was not limited to Mount Galunggung alone. Taking the 9th spot on our list is another Indonesian volcano, Mount Kelut. This volcano made its deadly mark in 1919. The eruption was as sudden as it was violent, giving the inhabitants of the surrounding villages little to no time to escape. It claimed the lives of over 5,000 people and wiped out more than 100 villages. It was a display of nature's fury that left a trail of destruction in its wake. In the face of such natural disasters, one cannot help but feel a sense of awe and respect towards the power of our planet. These two Indonesian giants, Mount Galunggung and Mount Kelut, serve as stark reminders of the sheer force that lies beneath the Earth's crust. They are testaments to the fact that even with all our technological advancements, we remain at the mercy of our planet's natural phenomena. The power of nature is indeed humbling, as seen by these two Indonesian giants. Moving on, we traverse to Italy for our 8th most devastating volcano, Mount Vesuvius. This infamous volcano erupted unexpectedly in 1631, causing multiple earthquakes, ash clouds, rock showers, and lava flows. The eruption lasted several days and resulted in a death toll of 6,000, scarring the landscape and leaving a tragic mark on the region. The Vesuvian eruption was a catastrophic event that destroyed numerous villages and claimed thousands of lives. Ash clouds blotted out the sun, turning day into night. Rock showers rained down on the surrounding towns, causing utter destruction. Rivers of lava flowed relentlessly, bringing with them a wave of devastation that was impossible to escape. Now let's journey further north to Iceland, the land of fire and ice. In June 1783, a catastrophic eruption occurred that ranks as the 7th most devastating on our list. This eruption, which lasted from June 1783 to February 1784, released deadly gases, causing acid rain that poisoned livestock and soil. The Icelandic eruption was unique in its prolonged nature. Over an 8-month period, the volcano spewed out a toxic cocktail of gases, causing a major environmental catastrophe. Acid rain fell from the sky, poisoning the soil and killing livestock. This led to a major famine, with the death toll reaching 9,350. From Italy to Iceland, volcanoes have etched their devastating mark on history. Continuing our countdown, we return to Mount Vesuvius, but this time to recount its infamous eruption in AD 79. This eruption was a cataclysmic event that shook the Roman Empire to its core. Over 2 fateful days, a deadly cloud of volcanic gas, stones, ash and fumes was expelled from the volcano, burying the prosperous towns of Herculaneum and Pompeii. The eruption was so sudden and so violent that it caught the town's inhabitants completely off guard, sealing them in a volcanic tomb. The death toll was staggering, with over 10,000 lives lost in the calamity. As we shift our gaze from Italy to Japan, we find the 5th most devastating volcano, Mount Unzen. In 1792, this volcano unleashed its fury, triggering a landslide and a resulting tsunami. The power of this eruption was such that it sent shockwaves through the surrounding landscape, causing the land itself to give way. The ensuing tsunami only compounded the disaster, sweeping across the land and claiming between 12,000 and 15,000 lives. The Mount Unzen eruption is a chilling reminder of how the forces of nature can converge, with devastating consequences. These historic eruptions stand as a testament to the unyielding power of Mother Nature. We've now reached the final 4 of our countdown, starting with the eruption of 1985 in Colombia. This medium-sized eruption triggered colossal mudflows that buried the town of Armero, claiming the lives of a staggering 23,000 people. The destruction was so extensive that the town was never rebuilt, serving as a chilling reminder of the volcano's deadly power. Moving on to the third most devastating eruption, we find ourselves in 1883 with Krakatoa, an Indonesian volcano. Its eruption was so violent that it caused the collapse of 2/3 of the island, and its effects were felt globally. The explosions were so loud, they were heard as far away as Australia. The sunsets that year were unusually spectacular, a strange beauty born of a terrible disaster. In the second spot we find Mount Pelée, whose eruption in 1902 decimated the city of Saint-Pierre in Martinique. The entire city was obliterated, and the death toll reached a horrifying 40,000. The city lay in ruins under the ash and lava, a haunting testament to the volcano's destructive force. Finally, we arrive at the most devastating volcano in recorded history, Mount Tambora. Its 1816 eruption was so powerful, it reduced the volcano's height and caused a global reduction in temperature, leading to widespread crop failures. This event, known as the Year Without a Summer, resulted in a death toll of 92,000. From Colombia to Indonesia, these volcanoes have left an indelible mark on our planet. Their eruptions have shaped history, altered landscapes, and claimed countless lives. They remind us of the raw and unpredictable power of nature, and the importance of understanding and respecting it. And there we have it, the 10 most devastating volcanoes in the world. From the chilling tale of Mount Tambora, whose eruption in 1816 led to a death toll of 92,000, to the shocking eruption of Mount Pelée in 1902 that claimed 40,000 lives, these stories remind us of the sheer power and destructive potential of nature. They are a testament to the Earth's ability to reshape our world in an instant, burying cities and altering landscapes. These volcanoes have not only shaped our world's geography, but they have also left an indelible mark on human history, their stories passed down through generations. As we remember these devastating events, let's also appreciate the resilience of humanity, our ability to recover, rebuild, and learn from these powerful forces of nature. In the face of such immense power, we are reminded of our responsibility to understand and respect the natural world, to anticipate its movements, and to protect ourselves and our communities. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the notification bell, ensuring you stay updated on all our future content.